at $668 beginning November 1st, 2024. Are you in agreement with that?
I can't do that, ma'am.
And can you explain why you're not
Um,
in agreement to pay child support?
yes, ma'am. I was paying child support when I was in Germany. So now that I've moved to the States in 2020, I've gave my daughter support. She's been here. I paid for plane tickets. I buy her clothes. This would give me a financial hardship.
All right, that's Quitman Harper and Angelica Harper. Mr. Harper, on mute. Do you swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
All right, this is an interstate case. Miss Harper was not required to be here. And Miss Etchview, what do we wanted to do here?
Your Honor, we have a partial agreement. First, the state would like the court to take judicial notice that Mr. Harper is here and was sent a copy of the state's petition via email.
Okay, so noted.
And the partial agreement, the only thing it doesn't include is support. So I'll read the agreed portions. The child was born and currently resides in Germany. Mr. Harper and the other party were divorced in 2011. Mr. Harper is disabled and currently receives VA disability benefits, gross income in the amount of $3,817 tax-free. Mr. Harper has one child under 18 who does not reside with him. Mr. Harper agrees to provide health and dental insurance through TRICARE. No retroactive support is being requested at this time, and court costs to be billed to Mr. Harper. Mr. Harper, can you state your full name
Quitman Maurice Kershawn Harper,
and the name of the child at this matter
Ashlyn Gabrielle Harper,
and her age, please?
13.
Sir, did you hear the agreed portions that I just read?
Yes, ma'am.
Are they still your agreements?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you believe it's in the best interest of your child?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you asking the court to accept those portions today?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, the state is proposing child support to be set at $668 beginning November 1st, 2024. Are you in agreement with that?
I can't do that, ma'am.
And can you explain why you're not
Um,
in agreement to pay child support?
yes, ma'am. I was paying child support when I was in Germany. So now that I've moved to the States in 2020, I've gave my daughter support. She's been here. I paid for plane tickets. I buy her clothes. This would give me a financial hardship because I'm taking care of my mom, which is just had surgery, my stepdad, which is on dialysis, and my little sister. And 600 would just it would I don't have anything to really live on, just $100 each month. So I only get paid a month, monthly, and I'm not able to work. I'm 100% disabled with PTSD. Every job I've had, I've gotten fired from. Right now, I'm going to try to get my master's degree and my MBA, which is the veterans going to pay for it, and to find another course of action. Like I said, I've been paying for my daughter since she's been born, not physically just giving her mom a whole bunch of money. I've done that when I was in Germany, but now I can't do it. I'm here, I'm swamped. I only have like $100 to myself. So 600 would financially burden me right now.
And you were explained how child support was calculated, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And so you understand that it was a percentage, a state guideline percentage of
Yes,
what you're
ma'am.
currently receiving. And you're saying you cannot pay $668.
No, ma'am.
How much are you willing to pay for child support at this time?
I guess the $100.
You're asking to only to pay $100 a month in support.
Yes, ma'am.
Pass the witness, Your Honor.
All right, the parts you agree to, those are fine. You have a legal obligation to support your child. You have a moral obligation to help the other family members, but you don't have a legal obligation to support them. I understand what you're saying, but I can't reduce your support because you have other people that you're helping morally. Um, so what I'm going to set support as it's $600 a month even, not the
Can I
68.
say something, Your
That's
Honor?
no, I'm still talking.
Oh, okay.
That's the amount that you need to pay each month. And that's for your child, and then you'll have to rearrange your other expenses, or the other people will need to help put in some money here into the household, so that y'all can pay the bills. But I can't lower your support. I definitely can't set it at $100 a month. That's not something that's even reasonable. You have an obligation to support your child, and that's about the most that I can do. So I'm not going to lower from that. If you have a question, I can answer a question, but I'm not going to change my mind. Okay.
Uh, Your Honor, I was reading it's undue financial hardship for a veteran. I have PTSD. My daughter, I've been negative to get my daughter over here to Texas. I've seen my daughter. I cannot pay that. Even my mom and them are about to move out. I cannot pay that by myself.
Okay. Well, I disagree. I think you can.
I
And
cannot, Your Honor. I really cannot.
okay.
I've already been negative in two accounts already. I cannot pay $600. I really cannot.
Well, that's your opinion. You need to rearrange your expenses. Hopefully,
Your
your
Honor,
parents move out. That'll save you
your,
some money. But I
what,
cannot lower your support because your expenses are high. I cannot do that. I cannot increase your support because maybe the mother's expenses are high.
your,
The way it
can
is.
I,
So I
Your
understand
Honor,
what you're saying. You have a right to
she,
disagree, but I'm still making a ruling that it's 600. Okay.
Your Honor, she just built a new house
Okay.
with her new husband, and they
It
got
doesn't
two
matter.
kids.
It doesn't matter, sir. Child support's
I,
not based on either one of your
I
expenses or
also
what you own.
in it states in the law for a veteran undue hardship.
It's not an
It,
undue hardship, sir.
it is because
Okay.
that will financially crush me. I will not be able to pay anything, and I will lose my house, lose my car.
All right, sir. Well, after the 600, you still have 3,200 and change to pay all these other bills. That's what you're going to have to do.
Your Honor,
All right, Mr. Harper,
my
I'm not going to argue with you. I've already made a decision. You have the right to appeal my decision if you like, but that's my ruling. All right, that's the order of the court. The Attorney General's office is going to email you a copy of that, and that's what you got to pay. All right, you can press leave on the Zoom to exit out.